Got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.
Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're going to be doing the conversion harness for Josh's EG. We have here the RSX harness that our friend Isaac dropped off the other day. We also have the conversion harness that we bought offline. We're going to show you guys in depth exactly how it all goes together, wire by wire. So that way when you go put a case swap in your car, you know what to do. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're first going to go ahead and play musical cars. So we're going to put the CRX over there, and then we're going to move the EG over where that is. So let's go. All right, now that that is done, we can go ahead and get started. What you think, Josh? What you thinking?
I'm ready, bro.
You ready?
Oh yeah, send, full send.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're gonna run these wires. They're pretty big and they won't fit through that small hole right there. We're just gonna run them through the stock harness. We're gonna pull that rubber piece out of it, so that way we just put them inside the cabinet and it will look way better. Alright guys, so running the wires through there was a total fail. It's like impossible to get in it. We're just gonna go ahead and drill this part right here out. Just run all the wires all the way over here to the plug. Yeah. Alright guys, so we got that little hole made. It's not perfect, but it works.
Alrighty guys, we're gonna go ahead and start with the hardwiring process. You can see here it's super nice and labeled: fuel pump, coolant temp, charge light. We got everything here. Now we're just gonna go ahead and pull up a wiring diagram, match up the wires, and get them wired in. Alrighty guys, we're gonna go ahead and start with the fuel pump wire. It's A7, so on an OBD1 Civic, count over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you'll find this green and yellow wire, and we'll go ahead and cut it. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and cut the wire for the coolant temperature sensor. It's going to be on the D plug. Go over 7. You're going to see a white and red wire. If it's a Civic, go ahead and cut that. All right, now we're going to cut the wire for the electronic load detector. It's going to be on the D plug. Go over 5. And for Civic, it's going to be green and red. Cut that. We're going to go ahead and cut the wire for the malfunction indicator light. It's pretty much just a check engine light. You'll see an orange and green wire. Go ahead and cut that. Now that we got everything cut, we're just going to go ahead and solder everything in and we'll be set. All right, so the wiring down here is all finished. It's looking nice here in the engine bay as well. Just we're almost there, right, man?
Yeah, just the motor and motor mounts. We'll put it together.
We'll be running. Well, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.